You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. Polygonal. Let's break it down into syllable. It comes from the word polygon, but this is the adjective, so a shape that has the shape of a polygon is going to be polygonal, a closed plane figure bounded by straight lines. Polygonal, stress on the li syllable, polygonal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.